Aaron Tucker, and this is how to properly fold a handkerchief for headwear. I'm going to give you guys two options. I'll help you either bring out your inner Son of Anarchy or your inner Tupac. So if you're channeling your inner Son of Anarchy, you want to grab the two opposing ends of the handkerchief, grab it and kind of rest it on your forehead, and the little point, the top of the triangle, should go to the back of your head, and then just tie it. Of course, don't tie it too tight. Like any hat that's too small, you're going to give yourself a headache. Moving on to your inner Tupac. Do the exact same thing, just in the reverse. You want to grab the two opposing ends of your scarf, grab them, take them to the back of your head, bring them to the front, tie them in a knot. You can either tuck the loose ends, let them hang, either way. It's totally a matter of preference.